Hello everyone and welcome to Hello Word. I'm your host Alex, and today we're diving into a new and useful word. Our word for today is bin, a level A2 noun meaning a container for trash. So what exactly is a bin? Well, simply put, it's a receptacle, usually made of plastic or metal, that we use to hold waste before it's collected and disposed of. You'll find bins everywhere, at home, in parks, at school, and in the workplace. Now, let's look at some synonyms. Think of words like receptacle. For example, please place the papers in the receptacle provided, or container, like she took the empty boxes to the container outside. Also, you could use the word dumpster specifically if you're referring to a larger public waste container. The construction crew filled the dumpster with debris. How about some antonyms, words that mean the opposite? Well, while we don't have a perfect direct opposite, words that suggest the absence of a container might be good antonyms. Consider open space, like, instead of a bin, we just had an open space on the floor for recycling, or ground, like, unfortunately, the litter was on the ground because there wasn't a bin. Now, in everyday life, you hear and use bin all the time. You might say, put that in the bin, please, or ask where is the bin. You might also hear it used in expressions like the waste bin or take out the bin. Let's look at a few examples in sentences. He threw the apple core into the bin. The kitchen bin was overflowing. We need a bigger bin for the garden waste. Or in a phrase, the recycling bin. That's our word of the day, bin, a very common and practical noun. Remember, it's a container for waste, and we talked about synonyms like receptacle, container, and dumpster, and considered some antonyms like open space and ground. I hope you found this useful. Thank you so much for joining me on Hello Word. If you enjoyed this episode, please remember to subscribe to our podcast and leave us a review. Your support helps others find our show, which is great. Also, we would love to hear from you. Please create your own sentence using the word bin and share it in the comments below the video. I look forward to seeing what you come up with. Have a fantastic day and happy learning.